If you're still relying on paper towels for every single spill, then you're going to want to see this. Hey guys, I'm Rebecca with WTI, and let me tell you about the Swedish dishcloths from ReReem Eco Inc. It has honestly been one of those products I wish I had discovered sooner. It comes in a 6-pack, so you always have a fresh one ready to rotate through different cleaning tasks. As soon as I started using them, I noticed how absorbent and effective they are. They combine the absorbency of a sponge with the strength of reusable towels. They are also biodegradable and quick drying, making them perfect for kitchen messes, spills, counters, dishes, and bathroom cleaning. I also love how easy they are to clean. You can hand wash them or even put them in the dishwasher. And unlike regular sponges, they don't develop that unpleasant smell over time, which is so convenient. What makes them really unique is their style. They come in 2 designs, the plant lover and positive vibes. They have a modern minimal look with vibrant colors, and it honestly makes cleaning feel a bit more enjoyable. These cloths are both decorative and practical. Who knew that cleaning supplies can be this cute? And that's just my point of view.